Have you ever watched a video about a woman's life and felt like whoever made it had never actually lived one? Like they were describing the experience from the outside, careful, sanitized, edited down to the parts that were comfortable enough to say out loud. I noticed something. Every channel doing this kind of immersive storytelling, the level by level, you are there living it content was mostly built around men, their wars, their careers, their crimes, their ranks, their survival. And I kept thinking, where are the women? Where is the channel that puts you inside the life of a teenage girl sitting on a bathroom floor at 11 p.m., holding a pregnancy test, already knowing what it says? Where is the channel that walks you through every level of being the woman in the office that everyone leans on but nobody protects? Where is the content that takes you inside a woman's first night in a maximum security cell, not as a statistic, not as a cautionary tale, but as a human being with a full life that led to that moment? Where is the content that treats women's real experiences as worthy of the same serious, immersive storytelling that men's experiences get every single day? I could not find it, so I built it. This is Level Her. We do not give advice here. We do not offer opinions. We do not judge. We do not tell you what she should have done differently or what lessons you should take away. We simply take you inside, level by level, moment by moment, the full weight of it, uncut. Every video on this channel is a journey through the real, lived experience of a woman, animated, immersive, told from the inside out. The baby mama navigating a system that was never designed for her, the female prisoner learning who she is in a place designed to make her forget, the housewife holding an entire home and office together while quietly disappearing inside it, the woman who lost everything and rebuilt it in the dark with no applause and no audience. These are not inspirational stories. Some of them do not have clean endings. Some of them are still being lived right now by women watching this video. We tell them anyway, because silence has never helped a single woman feel less alone. My name is Christy. Level Her exists because women's stories deserve the same weight, the same craft, the same serious immersive treatment that every other story gets. Not a summary, not a highlight reel, the full experience. Every level, every cost, every moment she kept going when nobody was watching. If you have ever felt like your story or the story of a woman you love was too complicated, too dark, too real for the internet to hold without flinching, this channel was built for that story. Welcome to Level Her.